so different. Can a girl you show off to your niggas?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be a lip gloss filling video, but it's going to be a little bit different than my normal filling videos because we're filling up lip gloss samples. I thought this would be a satisfying video for you guys to watch. I feel like I'm giving you ASMR vibes right now with the tone of my voice. Yeah, right now I'm just putting on the seals. I put the seals just directly into the cap to make it easy for me. So whenever I'm done filling up the lip gloss sample, I just pop it on like that, and the pressure seals the cap on. That also helps it stay secure. There you guys, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you guys know every single time I upload a new video. And if you guys like videos like this, stick around, enjoy whatever background beat noise that I add to this video. You know what, I play too much. Every time I do these voiceovers, I'm actually talking directly, but it's giving me voiceover vibes because of the way that I'm filming it, and just being able to see it on the camera, it looks like something that I would do a voiceover to. But yeah, if this is satisfying for you so far, even though all I'm doing is putting these little seals in the caps, make sure you like this video and stay tuned. Now it's gonna be a time lapse. You guys, I have to be completely honest with you. I have been struggling to film this video because my tripod is honestly and truly, it's in my way, you guys. It's in my way. I usually would not film me doing my samples, but I'm doing it today. But I'm about to stop filming, so you guys excuse me so I can get back to work. So I can move this tripod out of my way. If you guys did, let me get my alcohol. So like right now what I'm doing is just making sure that the edges are clean, nice and clean. So if there's any excess lip gloss, I'm wiping it off with alcohol. So this one has extra lip gloss, just a little bit right here around the edge. So I'm wiping it off and then putting a cap on, a cap and a lid on. Just like that. This one looks good, so I'm gonna just close her up. I'm just grabbing them in a random order right now. Ooh, oopsies, I'm just looking at them. That's why it's hard to film, because the camera literally, it's in my way. Because I inspect everything, like I look at all the edges and stuff before I put the cap on. And it's stopping me from being able to be really close to what I'm doing. So you see? That one looks good, so it's ready to close. This is Shelley, by the way. The red color is Shelley. And what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna put all the names of the glosses on the screen. So if you guys do like any of these colors, and you wanna try out any of the samples, you'll at least know what the names are for each color that I'm doing. That one looks a little full. I'm gonna wait to do that one. If I have to, I will squeeze the excess lip gloss out. This one is the Pink Shift. Or you know what I mean, suction. Ooh, suction out the excess lip gloss. That's what I do. Like when they're too full like this, you guys. Like this one has a little bit too much in it because you see it, it's kind of hard to tell. But if I was to close it, it would probably pop out a little bit once the cap was sealed on there. So I'm waiting to do that one. This red is so pretty. This one is perfect. The amount that I filled it up is perfect. So pretty. There you guys. Reporting live from Shelley's Daughter Beauty. My name is Ashley and I'm the owner. I should have said that at the beginning of the video, but I thought that would be funny. I don't know why. That was corny, wasn't it? Whatever. You know what? If you are corny, embrace being corny. Love yourself for being corny. Laugh at your own jokes, because people don't need to laugh at your jokes. So pretty. I keep trying to remember to stay in frame too. I'm telling, like this is, I wish, I mean, not that I wish, because I could show you if I wanted to, but that's too much work to take this off the tripod and show you this angle that I'm at. But this angle, I'm telling y'all, I'm struggling. Anyway, so back to time lapse, you guys. We're gonna do a time lapse. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy this little moment.